You can add extra support for your GIGABYTE RTX 40 series graphics card with the dedicated anti-sag bracket that comes in the box. Here's how to install it. These are the parts and the tool you will need for the installation. For easier installation, we recommend that you lay your case on the side to have a better working angle. First, remove the 2 screws on the lower right corner of your motherboard and replace them with the standoffs. Then, secure the L-shaped bracket to the standoffs with the flathead screws. Next, attach the mounting bracket to the back side of the graphics card and screw in with the necessary number of screws. After that, slide the mounting bracket behind the L-shaped bracket and then insert your graphics card into the first PCIe slot. Note that you must do so in this order, otherwise you won't be able to install the card properly. Once everything is in place, secure the card by screwing the card's front bracket and the mounting bracket to the case. The installation is complete. Your RTX 40 series graphics card is now securely supported and ready to go.